Hi, my name is Christie Rodriguez, and I'm from the University of Puerto Rico at Mayaguez, and I study industrial biotechnology. And this summer, I was part of the RiSE program.
Hi, my name is Frank Paulino. I'm a student from Montclair State University, and I participated in the RiSE program this summer.
Hi, I'm Terri Goss Kinzy. I'm a professor in the Department of Molecular Genetics, Microbiology, and Immunology at Robert Wood Johnson Medical School and Senior Associate Dean of the Graduate School for Biomedical Sciences at Robert Wood Johnson Medical School. The RiSE program is one of our largest summer programs where we bring undergraduates from all over the country to our campus here in Piscataway, New Brunswick to do research with our faculty. One of the really exciting things about the RiSE program is it really is a partnership. We utilize our faculty from Robert Wood Johnson Medical School, all of whom are members of the Graduate School of Biomedical Sciences at Robert Wood Johnson Medical School. We have a student working with one of our colleagues in the School of Public Health. And because our PhD programs are joint with Rutgers, the State University of New Jersey, Rutgers also hosts some of these students, which allows us really to give a very broad and interdisciplinary experience to the students that come on campus. Our RiSE program is a very intense, either 8 or 10-week program for our students, depending on their availability for the summer and their schedules back at school. In the course of that period, they will spend time weekly meeting with the program directors, learning skills such as standardized test taking skills, working on writing scientific abstracts, developing presentation skills. In fact, I do a workshop with them on how to keep a laboratory notebook and issues in scientific integrity. At the end of the 8-week session, they have oral presentations and a symposium, and then today's poster session is a chance for them to present their work. The important thing about the poster session is we print these posters for them that they make, and we give them poster tubes to take them off back to wherever they're going and encourage them to take their research and present it back at their home institution, as well as at national meetings for student undergraduate research.
So this summer, I worked at Dr. William Wadsworth's lab, and together with my mentor, a postdoc called Hai-Shang Li, and we worked on calcium channels function and axon guidance in C. elegans. Having participated in this experience, that actually has helped me assure myself a little bit more that it will be graduate school and I will be conducting research. And having participated in RiSE has helped me have a better view of what graduate life is and how different research is conducted in labs. It has also given me the opportunity of preparing for GRE, so now I know what further steps I need to take to be able to get into graduate school and like the type of application process I need to pass to get to graduate school. So it's definitely been a very enriching experience to me.
This summer I worked with Dr. Wee-Soo Pham in the Department of Physiology and Biophysics over there at Robert Wood Johnson Medical School. And I really enjoyed working with him because he was a really helpful mentor who really, he taught me a lot of things. He taught me to dig deeper because, typically, you might look at these science projects. It's not just a science project. It's not just, being in a classroom where you learn something and regurgitate information. It's something that you have to look beyond, to how practical and how applied it might be, and just look at the broad scope, which is something that that you don't learn to do until you're forced to, in these type of research environments. The next step, I do want to go to graduate school, but I also want to go to school. I want to be a physician scientist, so I want to pursue an MD PhD degree. This, for me, was just another opportunity to be exposed to that type of research that's both practical and applied to medicine. And at the same time, I also had the opportunity to learn a lot more, especially about chlamydia. There's a lot of things I didn't know about, particularly how common it was, and just the fact that there's a big need for innovation, at trying to eliminate this particular infectious disease.
We look for students that have research areas that are matched with our faculty here. So we have students working in infectious disease, we have students working in tissue engineering, we have students working on developmental biology, lots of different areas where we have particular strengths here, and that these students really have a chance to come in and contribute to frequently NIH-funded research projects here at our school.
Hi, my name is Frank Macabentas. I'm a 2008 graduate of the RiSE program, and I'm currently a PhD student at the Joint Molecular Biosciences program at Rutgers UMDNJ. So I got here in 2008 through a partnership with the University of Guam, which was my undergraduate home institution. And I worked in the lab of Dr. Sunita Kramer of UMDNJ, and we were looking at fruit fly heart development. And it's helped me prepare essential skills for graduate school, such as various lab techniques like microscopy and Drosophila crosses, which I'm actually working at now in my thesis lab, which coincidentally is the same lab that I worked in RiSE. If you're even considering research as a career, this is one of the best ways to do it, because you get paired with a mentor who guides you through what goes on every day in research labs. The RiSE program definitely cemented my interest in doing research as a career, so it's great.